Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fit Audi S Line grill badge. Start by confirming badge alignment and orientation on the grill slots. Clean the area thoroughly with isopropyl to remove wax and dirt. Use a soft trim tool to open any retaining clips gently without forcing them. Position the badge, apply firm, even pressure for at least 30 seconds, and let adhesive set undisturbed for several hours for best hold. Prepare your workspace with adequate lighting and protective covers for the bumper. Remove dirt and wax with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl solution so adhesive bonds properly. Keep a small bowl for screws or clips to avoid losing parts during the job. Have a ruler or tape measure handy to center the badge precisely at the recommended spacing. Stay patient and avoid rushing the alignment step to prevent misplacement. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful how-tos. Quick recommendation: there is a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how many people think about money, and it might help you fund future car mods. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by dry fitting the badge into the grill slots to verify orientation and clearance. If clips are present, align them and gently press until you hear a click for secure engagement. For adhesive installs, apply 3M tape to the badge back, remove liner, then center and press firmly for 30 seconds. Recheck edges and remove any fingerprints or residue with a clean microfiber cloth to finish with a professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.